Hello everyone, let's make this beautiful flower out of dry leaves. We are going to cut a circle from cardboard, paste double-sided tape and paste all the leaves around it. Similar way, we are going to put this clay at the center and we are going to dab all these seeds inside it like this. And look, your flower is ready. We are going to paste the dry twig at the back side of it and look, it's done. Paste more leaves around it and it's ready. Let's make these beautiful houses. So we are going to cut a circle from cardboard and cut the parts of the house, and we are going to paste all of them together using hot glue gun and make the model like this. Now make two such houses, one big and one small, and paste it on the top of this circle. Add more decorations like we are making the trees using these dry twigs. Draw its doors and windows. We are putting these clay balls for more decorations. We are also making this doorway entry and put crumbles paper around it using glue, and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful rose flower out of these leaves. So take one leaf, fold it and start rolling it like this. Similar way, we're going to cover it with more leaves one after another. Roll all of them like this by folding it and make the petals of the rose flower like this. After doing this, your rose flower is ready. Now we are going to tie it using a rope. You can also use a rubber band in place of this, and look, your rose flower is ready. We're going to make this fish using cardboard and leaves. So cut the shape from the cardboard, paste double-sided tape and cut the leaf and paste it on the top of it. Now we are going to draw this pattern on the leaf using marker and start cutting it, and we are making the fins and tail of the fish like this. After this, paste all the small pieces of the leaves one after one and cover the fish like this. Now paste its fins, and we are also pasting this googly eyes of the fish. Paste a stick and look, it is ready. Let's make fish using cardboard and clay. So first draw the outline of the fish on this cardboard using pencil. Now cut it. After this, we are going to press these yellow clay balls on the body of the fish like this. Press it using your fingers, make its mouth. Now paste googly eyes. Now we are drawing the fins using this white marker. Put a thread at the top and look, it is ready. We're going to make these beautiful flower bouquets out of ginkgo leaf. We're going to paste all the leaves around this stick using double-sided tape. So paste double-sided tape, fold it and roll it one after another around the stick like we're doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Similar way, we're going to make more such flower for the bouquet. After this, we're going to combine it and look, it's done. Let's make beautiful artwork using dry leaves and twigs. So we are making this artificial twig using leaves. Now we are going to make the birds using leaves. Paste googly eyes. We are also drawing their legs like this using black marker. Draw its beak and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.